You can see. Now I bring this one for Matemu. 650 grams. This is all. Now I match all these. Now I have to match this one. This one I will put this one. This one little I will put here. Then I will do print. Look this. Now you can see I remove the dent. Here was dent. Still have here little small, and here I have small little. I remove all this. All this I remove. Now here I have this one I will remove now. Here I have small dent too much. Now I will remove this one with PDR Tools. I bring my new tools here. This one I will remove. Here I have dent. Here I have. Now I will remove PDR. I put this one like this for my hair. Now I will remove with tape, pen tape, and this pen tape. Now you see almost remove. Little hair I will top down with this. See, was here. Here. Now you remove. This rub.